Alright YouTube, what's going on? We back here with another video. Try not to get my feet up in here, but this package right here, it's a very special package. Look how ashy my hand is. Lord, I matched the paper that my hand is on. But anyway, I think y'all probably already know what this is. So let's get right into it. Let's unbox this. It's gonna be a real short video, but as I push this over to at least right there, I think that's good. Go get the scissors real quick. Daughter over here eating. Malaya, hey, what you doing? She over there watching Mickey Mouse. She probably looking at me like, boy, why is you recording me? Got the scissors. Sit this down right here. I do not want to get my feet in this. I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Oh. So, this is what I see right here. I want to open it, but at the same time, that's one right there. Let me open this real quick. And then, I don't know how that camera's able to sit right there like that, but that works. Man, make sure they package this right. High dollar items. As y'all can see, as you guys can see, turbo. So that's what we dealing with. Dang, this is a big guy. This junk is heavy. It's a big guy. This might be my front one, if I'm not mistaken. I think he sent me back the front one. So the front one is good. He sent me back the front one. And I think the rear one is the one that he swapped out. So I'm not about to do that, but they're here. So that's all I wanted to show y'all today. It's a quick video, but yeah, about to start this process again. Shout out to the company for, you know, stepping up to the plate and, you know, fixing the issue and, you know, giving me a resolution. So I greatly appreciate that. But I'll probably catch y'all in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm excited. I really can't even tell, but I'm very excited right now, man. Very excited. So I want to look at the other turbo, but I don't feel like going through all this in the house and everything. So I'm gonna hit y'all whenever. So yeah.